If you use Evernote, one of the fastest ways to stay organized is by using tags the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Evernote tags effectively for note categorization, so you can find your notes faster, keep related ideas grouped together, and avoid turning your notebooks into a cluttered mess. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Evernote tips and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote and create a new note or open an existing one. This works for any kind of note, whether it's a meeting note, a project plan, a travel checklist, or a personal reminder. Once your note is open, scroll all the way to the bottom of the note. This is where Evernote lets you manage tags for that note. Now click Add Tag. When you do that, you'll see a field where you can type the name of the tag you want to use. Start with something simple and consistent. For example, if the note is related to work, type work and press enter. If it's a finance note, type finance and press enter. If it's for travel, type travel and press enter. The key here is consistency, because tags only become powerful when you use the same naming system across your notes. After adding your first tag, you can keep going and add additional tags if needed. This is one of the biggest advantages of Evernote tags. A single note does not have to live in just one category. For example, a meeting note could be tagged meeting, client, and urgent all at the same time. That means later, if you search by any of those tags, you can instantly find that note again. This is especially useful when your notes belong to more than one topic. Maybe you have a note about a work trip. You could tag it work, travel and expenses, or maybe you have a project note tied to a specific client. You could tag it client, project, and follow-up. By using multiple tags, you create a flexible system that makes your notes easier to browse and search. Next, repeat this process for your other notes. The goal is to build a tagging habit so your entire Evernote library becomes easier to navigate over time. Don't wait until you have hundreds of notes before organizing them. If you tag notes as you create them, future searches become much faster and much more accurate. Now let's talk about choosing good tags. The best tags are broad enough to be useful, but specific enough to help you sort your content. Common categories like work, personal, finance, and travel are great starting points. You can also create tags for recurring types of content, like ideas, research, receipts, goals, or meetings. Try to avoid making tags too similar to each other, because that can make your system harder to maintain. A helpful tip is to use tags based on the categories you use most often. That way, every time you create a note, you already know which tags to apply. If you have a project workflow, for example, you might use tags like to do, in progress, and completed. If you use Evernote for content planning, you might use tags like blog post, video idea, script, and draft. The more repeatable your system is, the easier it becomes to manage. Another great feature is that you can view all of your tags from the left sidebar. Just click Tags, and Evernote will show you your tag list. This is useful when you want to review your organization system or quickly jump to a specific topic. From there, you can select a tag and see every note associated with it. That means you're not digging through individual notebooks one by one. Instead, Evernote helps you group related notes across your entire account. This is one of the best ways to think about tags. Notebooks store notes, but tags connect them. Notebooks are great for keeping broad sections of your information together, while tags give you a second layer of organization that cuts across everything. So if you have notes spread across different notebooks, tags can still bring them together instantly. Here's a simple workflow you can use. First, create a small list of core tags you'll use all the time. Then apply those same tags to similar notes so they're easy to find later. Keep your tag list focused and don't create too many unnecessary categories. Then, as your note collection grows, your Evernote system will stay organized without much extra effort. If you want to make your system even better, think in terms of tag families. For example, you might have one set of tags for life areas like work, personal, and health. Then another set for note types like meeting, task, idea, and reference. Then another set for status like urgent, waiting, or archived. This gives you a flexible structure without making the system too complicated. And remember, the same note can belong to multiple categories, which is exactly why tags are so useful. You're not forced to choose just one folder or one notebook. You can combine tags to make your notes much easier to retrieve later. So to recap, open your Evernote note, scroll to the bottom, click Add Tag, type your tag name, press Enter, and repeat as needed. Then use the Tags section in the left sidebar to view and manage your tag system. With a few smart categories and consistent use, Evernote tags can become one of your best productivity tools. If this video helped you understand how to use Evernote tags effectively for note categorization, give it a like, subscribe for more Evernote tutorials, and stick around for more simple organization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.